We waking up one. And well, this lady in a phone scream. The reason natural come put here fully ka unknown ya. But now the only copyright issue. I am a serious problem within the with the one over 10 in the background. So, but an any former. These are the type of people who take Christianity and I will say you to all boldness. Me with every boldness in me. This thing it is not of God. You should only this type of place. One you are not serving God. One you are being used. One is only a general you are being used and you are being manipulated. You watch is all in that long see about no patanasagi in the Christianity women because na Melana everything worketh by the name of Jesus Christ. So they will utilize that name, knowing fully well that this time of prophets of Baal has been existing right from beginning. That is not all. In an anya fiho yinaro, regalia of the Reverend Sister of Catholic Church. Regalia the Catholic Reverend Sisters kadisuman kwa yelonaro. Oluzie chiwanya kitanunga for example ndo otu na-esuzia bido kwa be ha because ni ha na-eme na ha ndị na-ewulo most of Nigerian Christian followers bona half ihe their leader na-eyi ha kwa ya iwe na-arụ without understanding what is the understanding behind this efe onye anụnwa na-eyi, just like ndị Muslim. Because ndị ọzọ na-akwatu ban eyi n'isi. And I feel you know that is the right way esi Islam kwesịrị na eyi. Amama no nwere understand the mother catch you with it. Ijeli nene na Bible, there are some specific ways Bible give details ka esi akwa efe priest na eyi na arụ. 30 pieces of silver, 20 pieces of gold, one roll of purple, 3 line of nka, 3 line of nka. Everywhere should be like this. Starting from left to right, should have nka. Bible will give you specific reasons why those things are jeweled like that. A priestly regalia just go in the Bible, so it becomes an understanding between the man of God in a year and the God. And what's going on also year, people may not know the meaning behind it. That was why the Ark of Covenant Zolom Madan, it was the same Ark of Covenant Ubulum Madan Metaliaka. This woman no was a candidate Suzia, she were jeje kwa efejilu. Imago somebody see from nowhere for tafona haje hotel. Doje medon dokrido. See hotel na apata. I said and the Reverend Sister na akwiko. I said, oh, na can the Reverend Sister said, because you cannot tell me no one followers this woman or this woman knows. You might go amaron and made this type of thing. I'm a certain Reverend Sister call. Take it or leave it. I say no Reverend Sister. But I don't know where we be. I say on the Reverend Sister man just cause or kasi me. Amarom na Catholic Church I don't like this. Amarom no the nona. And somebody made a video, man. I try to make you when some negative video somebody. Also, I'm not jealous somewhere. Or when I know can the father non a mufti. See you cook has a blogger so go ka when you could Reverend Fareji came back. That from their discussion na habido kubo man and these people will father. So oluziyechi when there can the people say you could father mbaka na asi no ebukubi. This person could have one of the followers of Reverend Fareji came back be hekulia. Now, in our because in a weapon, I say this 10 kita, what are their benefits in it? The reason Jekuli here will take this video, borrow my kitchen. On your bonnet football suit, T white collar no. People na say no pastor. People automatically I bog a pastor. Actually, my whether near pastor or boo or actually, man a pastor, you go pastor nature when your mother. Actually, man a pastor na encourage Joshi because a lot of pastors they encourage Joshi today. A lot of pastors no na sekwande mother oh boys jeje me wele ihe ndo cha mele nna no bute ne keke enwe nke pastor mere expose ebe last year or early this year mere expose ọ na-eche na mmiri o je gbata mmiri Lagos Bar Beach ọ na-enye ndị be ya. Pastor na-egbu ewu egbu efi ọ dụka once in a month ọ na-awụ ọbala ya na entrance of his doorpost of the door of their church. Emele m expose that pastor wee zuo ike. Pastor na-eji rebrand. I'm not against rebrand the motto, you know, man, he wants to belong. He wants to feel that na people it is working. No, if you know what motto 2011 obogale ya to 2020. Amam case ya convert those things. Ubeni ya belo enwe Reverend Father pụta na Instagram or the Facebook na-eti mkpu na caution content creators na efe Father efe Reverend Sisters eme content ụmụ nwaanyị pụta address ka Reverend Sisters ife ha na-ebehave ka ndị akwụna a na-abọ ike na-achị n'okpe enu. Reverend Father si tigo mkpu maka tie mkpu maka mana still ndị ba ya daanụ. It is time to separate the sheep from the goat ka amala ndị na ya. Okwu mgbasa ngwalụ mmadụ na comment section na this time say na I am not here to educate the goat or to entertain the goat. I am here for the sheep. I am here to educate the goat, not to sheep, not to entertain the goats. There are so many ndị na-eme ka anụ ha in our society today. And I will still say it again. This woman is not of God. She is not operating by God. The God that I know cannot do this. Enwe ka isi na-enene mmadụ anya. Ibugodo ọsọkwa ya bụ ni na-enene preaching, ni na-enene egwu, ni na-enene. There is something that we connect to show you that this thing is of God. Any name with spirit, any name with soul in us that can dictate when something is wrong. So that your discernment should be sharpened. So that you can be able to dictate when these wolves are operating under the same roof within that mama. Ana meti mkpu eti ya kita na ase ka da patakwa na echi nwanya no apata se non the Catholic or no se Catholic pata inwego the Catholic background, it does not give you the right to operate with their regalia and to use it to, you know, go ka asekwa na onye na-ele ide bụ kwa former Reverend Sister mana Chukwu Yoko. I don't know how you people want to merge the two of them together. Chukwu Goku, you have to Roman Catholic Church, their regalia. Roman Catholic Church, enwe rizeje oya Roman Catholic. Enwe Orthodox Catholic Church. Enwe some other Catholic churches no, but they are not of Rome. They are there. They do their thing. Anglican Church name operate in Nigeria is different from Anglican Church of England name operate in England. Because ndị nke ha na-anụ nwoke na nwoke na-anụ nwaanyị mana Anglican Church of Nigeria bandit na obodo amamme eme. So what am I saying in all of these things? Imiti odenda baba awesome. They only take what you have and give you a strange spirit in you that can manipulate and mislead you all the time. So do Ebo onye na-eje this church si ebe apụta. Go and look for Bible believing church. These people don't study Bible. Yeah, they have sow and sow seed. Onye nka sinka, onye nke eme nka no. That is not why we are here. We are called to save the lost sheep of Christ. Not to chiden the follow for boom because you want to entertain yourself. Ikuchakwanum. Once you have a comment section. God one.